Merry Christmas and happy holidays to all my friends and family. Here is a special episode on the occasion of Christmas, a traditional cinnamon French toast recipe with a healthy twist. This cinnamon French toast recipe has no added sugar or syrup, and it tastes sweet and delicious just like the traditional one. The ingredients are pasture raised eggs, milk, Dave's Killer whole grain raisin bread, cinnamon, vanilla, coconut oil, or avocado oil spread. Here it is, healthy cinnamon French toast for all occasions, holidays, and maybe once a month without feeling guilty. Remember, friends, to check in next week for the fourth basic recipe, my secret cooking sauce. For the full recipe and more, check out my website at honeylemonginger.com/recipe. For nutritious weekly recipes, subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, with another great episode from Honey Lemon Ginger Holistic Health Coaching.